Hello, it's LMTX, and today I would like to talk about the connectivity between the IoT device and the AWS IoT Core. During the connection setup, the IoT device presents the X509 device certificate. The AWS IoT Core verifies if that certificate exists in a Think registry, is active, and has proper policy attached. The device certificate corresponds to the device private key. Private key is securely stored on the device and should not be exposed. The X509 certificate and the private key are used as a proof of identity of the IoT device. The AWS IoT Core presents its certificate. The device verifies if that is the certificate it expects. This ensures that the IoT device is communicating with the valid AWS IoT endpoint, not some fake server that tries to compromise the system. The presented Amazon Root CA certificate corresponds to the Amazon private key, securely stored at AWS. This way both parties established trust, confirmed identities, and started TLS encrypted MQTT communication. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.